Here we have a sad math question. Okay, let's go with the question. The height of a rocket launched from a rooftop can be modeled by the equation h equals to negative 16 times s square positive 64 times s positive 21, where h is the height of the rocket above the ground in feet, and s is the number of seconds since the rocket was launched. Which of the following represents the height in feet of the rooftop from the rocket was launched? Okay, so whenever we have this kind of questions where we have the function which represents the height of a particular object, and we just want to know the height from which the object was launched. So here the height from which the object is launched is nothing but the height of the rooftop. So to know that, we have to find the initial height. So how do you have to find the initial height? So for in this kind of quadratic function, to get the initial height is nothing but the height when time is 0. So here s represents the time in seconds. So when I plug in s equals to 0 into this function, I'll be getting the initial height. So when I plug in s equals to 0, so this s square will become 0, 0 times everything. The first term will become 0, and 64 times yes, that one also will become 0, and we have 21. So and h is measured, h is the height of the rocket above the ground in feet. So we get h is equal to 21 feet. That is when time t is equal, when the time is equal to 0, so we get h equals to 21 feet. So that is, this is the initial height or the height at which the rocket is launched. So this height is nothing but the height of the rooftop from which the rocket is launched. So we find 21 in option C. The correct answer choice for this question is option C.